Hey, what's up YouTube? This is part 2 of the K24 EK hatch build, and got some stuff done. A lot of stuff has been done before, like the last video I didn't get to really record, so just kind of give you a recap. So we got the RBC manifold on here now, which looks a lot better, a lot more power. It's all cleaned up. Got the radiator on here. I just got to put the grommets that I just brought over. Alternators all on there. The reason why we had to swap that is because the plug in the front from the TSX was hitting this radiator, so we got that done. Also got the VTEC solenoid on and our crank sensor down to K21 plugged in, ready to go. Got the O2 sensor plugged in. Now we got a battery tray on. The fuel system is got the all completed as well. Fuel filter lines ran all the way back to the fuel cell, as you can see. So all we got to do is basically today we're going to be wiring up the fuel pump, wiring up the wires you need for the speedometer, and basically try to get a start video today. So right now we're going to start on the wiring and get everything configured out so we can start this thing up. All right, so let's start with the wiring. This is the A plug, since this is a 99 2000. So the wires they want you to tap into is this blue wire. That's your tachometer. This green and red wire, I believe, is ELD. Yellow, green is your check engine, and this orange, green one should be your check engine light. So those are the 4 ones they want you to wire to these right here. So you got RPM, MIL, and fuel pump. And then this charge light is gonna go to the engine harness, B10. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire those up. And then I also got the alternator wire coming to the fuse box. So I'm gonna change the bolt on that. I just temporarily got it so we can get this thing started tonight. And then I got the starter wire ran as well. As you can see, so it's basically all ready to go. It's grounded, starter's connected, alternator's connected. So right now we're just gonna connect the fuel pump and go get some fuel, get some fittings from the store real fast, and then we'll come back and see if we can get a first start on this car. All right, so I got my MIL, RPM, fuel pump relay, and ELD connected. They're basically the orange, green wire, the yellow, green wire, green, red, and then the solid blue. Next thing we need to connect is our coolant temperature. So I'm gonna run the wire to the front of the K-Tune swivel neck. And then also the charge light I wanted to show you guys is gonna be B10 right here. In there. It's a white blue wire on the second plug. Sorry, it's not really zooming in, but it's right there. But that's the wire you're gonna need to T-tap. You just T-tap into that. And then the fan switch, we could run that off of the, it's basically they give you a plug to tap in. You need a fan switch to tap into though, which is, we have one on the K-Tune swivel neck, but for now, since we don't have the actual sensor, we can just ground it and your fan will stay on all the time as soon as you turn the ignition on, for if you want to just run your fan all the time. So right now, before we get to start, we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna rewire the speed sensor. So we'll show you guys that real fast.
What you guys do this weekend?
Alright, so this is the plug. This one's off of the 2006 to 2011 like SI and the TSX models and 06, 05 RSXs. So we're just gonna rewire that so this can plug in. And then we'll be able to get our first start. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll get our first start going. All right, so we're back and we got our sensor. See if you can see it in there. Got it wired up in there. Also went ahead and got the speed sensor on there. Shift linkage is ready. We still need the shift box adapter box for the K-tune shifter. So just need to order that. Intake is about to come right now too. Just waiting on for that. So if right now we can go ahead and try to do our second start. I've did the first one already, but I have music in the background. So let's go ahead and try this again. Let me know that fuel pressure so I can get it. $50? All right, so we're ready to start. I just want to show you guys that it does start up and everything, so it's gonna conclude this video. If you haven't, like, share, subscribe. If you want to hit me up on Instagram, it's KSeriesWorks, and stay tuned for the next MR2 video. And the next video of this one will be when it's all registered and ready to go, so that'll be part 3. See you guys next time.